Have you ever scrolled through videos or travel posts from places like Italy, Greece, or southern Spain and thought, how do people over there eat all those amazing, fresh, delicious meals and still seem so energetic, joyful, and healthy? Or maybe you've read about the Mediterranean diet and wondered if it's just another trend, or if it could actually work for you no matter where you live. Here at Mindful Meals Hub, we love bringing you strategies that make nutrition and wellness feel joyful and sustainable, not stressful. So today, I want to take you on a journey into the heart of Mediterranean eating, not as some strict plan, but as a flexible, flavorful way of life that has helped millions transform how they think about food, health, and even happiness. Let's begin by busting the biggest myth about the Mediterranean diet. It's not a diet in the way we often use that word. Forget counting calories, banning bread, or weighing every ounce of food. Instead, this way of eating is all about celebrating variety. Think mountains of juicy tomatoes, bright green cucumbers, shiny olives, sweet peppers, leafy greens, hearty chickpeas, tangy yogurt, and robust extra virgin olive oil. Imagine meals where a big bowl is filled with whole grains and topped with crisp, roasted veggies, lemony grilled chicken or flaky fish, handfuls of fresh herbs, and maybe a few bites of creamy cheese or a piece of rustic bread on the side. In Mediterranean cultures, meals are social. They're slow, shared, and full of laughter, and every ingredient is meant to nourish both your body and your spirit. So how do you bring that feeling, the balance, the color, and the happiness into your own routine, especially if you're busy, on a budget, or just not an experienced cook? Start by stocking your kitchen with Mediterranean staples: canned beans, lentils, olive oil, lemons, garlic, onions, a mix of grains like brown rice, couscous, or farro, and plenty of seasonal vegetables. Meal prepping Mediterranean style is easy and surprisingly affordable. Imagine, on one Sunday afternoon, roasting a tray of vegetables, eggplant, peppers, zucchini, with a sprinkle of sea salt and a drizzle of oil. While that's happening, cook up a pot of quinoa or brown rice, and, if you like, grill some lemony chicken breasts or salmon fillets. Chop up cucumbers, tomatoes, parsley, and red onion for a zesty salad, and blend up some homemade hummus or tzatziki for dipping. Suddenly, you have a fridge full of healthy building blocks for quick bowls, wraps, salads, or snacks all week long. No boring leftovers required. Now let's turn these ingredients into real-life meals that are quick, satisfying, and will keep you excited no matter how busy your week gets. One day could be a power bowl, whole grain base, layered with roasted veggies, handful of greens, chickpeas, grilled protein, all topped with a simple olive oil and lemon dressing. The next day, toss together a Greek salad with tomatoes, cucumber, feta, olives, and red onion. Add cooked beans or tuna for heartiness. Wrap roasted chicken and spinach inside a whole grain tortilla or stuff it into a pita pocket with hummus and shredded veggies. Even breakfast and snacks can be Mediterranean. Think Greek yogurt with chopped fruit and honey, or sliced veggies dipped in creamy white bean spread. The point is, with a little prep and a flexible mindset, every meal can be nourishing, budget-friendly, and honestly, a lot more fun. Don't forget, the power of this lifestyle isn't just in the food, it's in the mindset. In the Mediterranean, meals are about connection, not just nutrition. Take a few minutes to actually sit and enjoy your food whenever you can. Savor the crunch of fresh cucumber, the zest of lemon, the warmth of oven-roasted eggplant, and yes, even a piece of crusty bread now and then. Share meals with family, housemates, or friends live or virtually. Celebrate little victories like trying a new bean salad, skipping a takeout night, or making your own vinaigrette. Over time, these small decisions add up to real results: better digestion, more energy, easier weight management, and a happier heart, not just physically, but emotionally too. So, if you're ready to stop feeling trapped by diet rules and start enjoying food again, this is your sign. Subscribe to Mindful Meals Hub for more practical, science-backed guides, simple recipes, and a friendly community of people building vibrant, healthy lives one meal at a time. If you've made it this far, Comment below with your favorite Mediterranean ingredient or a recipe you want to try next. I watch for your suggestions and answer every question. And if this video inspired you, tap the like button and send it to a friend who's ready for a new kind of healthy. Remember, the Mediterranean lifestyle isn't just about what's on your plate. It's about filling your day with color, simple pleasures, and a little more joy, bite by bite. Let's keep building that journey together. See you in the next video, and happy cooking!